Hey, good morning, people. Welcome back. One of the things that is readily prevalent within our information system is that there is a two-tiered justice system. Now, this goes back a very long way, a very long way. One of the designers of a two-tiered system was Joseph Goebbels, yes, of Nazi fame. He was the propaganda minister from the beginning to the end of World War II for the Nazis. He actually got his ideas from Karl Marx. Excuse me, I'm not breathing too good at the moment. Anyway, I'm looking at an article here out of the Center Square. National survey. Majority of Americans believe there is a two-tiered justice system. Okay, now there are several reasons for this, and all of them wrong. It shouldn't exist. Lady Justice is supposed to be blind and weigh out the balances. That's what she does. More and more people are going to jail for some very asinine reasons. Anyway, a large majority of Americans in a new poll say there's a two-tiered justice system in the U.S. One for politicians and those in Washington, D.C., and one for the rest of the Americans. A large majority of those polled in a separate survey expressed opposite views about who they believe was behind the FBI's raid on former President Donald Trump's home based on their party affiliation. The polls were conducted among likely general election voters by the Trafalgar Group and Convention of States. Action between July 24 and 28, August 9 and August 10. In the first poll, among 1,080 surveyed, 79% said there are two tiers of justice, one set of laws for politicians in Washington, D.C., insiders versus one set of laws for everyday Americans. Okay, that's enough reading. I actually use for my source, as far as looking this stuff up, I use Tor. Why? I don't trust Google. I don't trust Bing. I don't trust Microsoft. I personally have witnessed a two-tiered justice system for well over 40 years. Well over 40 years. In my opinion, in my thinking, if a public servant, police officer, fire department personnel, city council, state assembly, what have you, does wrong and is caught, their sentence upon sentencing should be 10 times that of their constituents. Why? Because they violated their oath. They've forsaken trust, a sacred trust. They forsook it. Okay? They did it willingly, deliberately, and with malice. Okay? So they should pay. They should suffer. I'm one that firmly believes. Well, we won't go there right now. I don't think it's proper to say that right now. But anyway, these signs are so openly evident. This person over here can do this, but this person over here better dead gum well not. And if they do, oh, they're going to be buried under the entire planet. Two-tier justice system. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. God bless to you.